Here's a really beautiful story, and it's not my own, but it's a really touching and inspiring story about somebody who completely changed their own life with the power of their mind and their intention.
Here's a check I deposited for $128,000. Doesn't get better than that. And what was a really bad, negative time for me has turned out to be the most amazing life change. I was married happily for 26 years. I've got 5 boys. I've got a set of triplets in there. My wife and I decided to go on holidays to Magnetic Island for a couple of weeks. Halfway into the trip, she surprised me as we were getting ready to go down to the restaurant for breakfast, which we did every day. She surprised me with, I've had enough. And I thought, gee, the holiday's over pretty quickly. She'd had enough of me, and she made that pretty clear. I went into a relatively dark place for quite a while. I was on TikTok, just happened to be looking around, and Joe Hain came up. It made a lot of sense. He spoke clearly, and he spoke about things I could understand. I really found plugging into this guy, Joe, made changes in my life that I could never have imagined possible. I have things now that I could not have ever dreamt that I would get in this lifetime just by plugging in and following Joe's guidance. My life's changed. I've never been healthier, happier, wealthier. I was broke before. Here's a check I deposited for $128,000. The learnings I have, the self-love that I've learned, the development, the journey I'm on is absolutely extraordinary, and I can't thank Joe enough. I am totally indebted to what I've picked up. I'm 30 kilos lighter. If you are looking for something, you want to be happier, healthier, wealthier, you want the gifts that life can offer, plug into this guy. It will change your life. I truly, truly am grateful for having plugged into him. So from what was a really bad, negative time for me has turned out to be the most amazing life change, and I'm so grateful. Thank you, and peace be with you.